Hello there. Welcome back with the third and last regular puzzle. The third and last regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 26th, 2024. It's not the last because in today's newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but right now I will solve this one, the tectonic number. This will be number. Let me zoom this first. All right, need to position the camera. Okay, number 8253. 8253. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 16, so I think it's a 1 star, maybe 2 stars. For 1 star, need to be faster than 50 minutes. 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars a puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 1 star, 2 stars, or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. How about dual boxes? I see here 1, 2. Dual boxes contains a 1 and a 2. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. How about triple boxes then? Here we have a triple box. That means that contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3. So 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 2 are left. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, same for there. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Here the 4 is already given. Alright, next question. Do we have a quadra box? I see here a quadra box in the L shape. When you see a L-shaped quadra box, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L-shaped quadra box, is always a 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers, nope. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. Alright, next strategy. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Well, I see here this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. We have only one shape of this kind. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will get the Z. Alright. The Z construction. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright then, those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright. Need to blow my nose. Okay. Let me see. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be 2. So 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area are the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 1 or a 2. Alright. Okay. This box can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction should be there. This box. Oh, wait. This box cannot be a 5. We have a double 5 there. So 1 box left for the 5 in this Z construction should be there. So we have 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box should be so 1. 1 or a 2. We have a 1 now. So this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright. These two boxes can be 5. That box can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 4 and 5, we have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes and there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes and there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so a 3. So 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Alright, and now I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright. And now this box can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, okay. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box cannot be 1 or a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 1. 3 and 1, we have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. These two boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1, and this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place left the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Then 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes in there. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes in there. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 to 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 to 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then, let me see. This box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 to 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Oh, 2 numbers left here in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Overlooked. But we solve it again in 12 minutes. Well, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with time, and I like this one. Yes, I really did fix. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.